Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Display. Following that, scroll down again and tap on Font Size and Style. Now you need to swipe left or right on font size slider to adjust it. And when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!